Everyone, today let's solve the questions from biology, that is structural organization in animals. So our first question is epithelial tissue with thin flat cells appearing like packed tiles occurs in. So जो epithelial tissue है with thin flat cells वो किस में present होते हैं? So answer is outer surface of intestine. It is the correct answer. And our next question, germinal epithelium of ovary is formed of. So germinal epithelium जो होते हैं वो cuboidal epithelium से बनते हैं. And let's see the next question. The third question is epidermis of skin of vertebrates it comprises of. So vertebrates के जो epidermis skin होते हैं it comprises of stratified epithelium. And let's see the fourth question. Inner lining of blood vessels and heart is tessered epithelium, which is so inner lining of blood vessels and heart जो होते हैं वो simple squamous due to wavy appearance होते हैं. And let's see the fifth question here. So lining of larynx is, so what larynx का जो lining होते हैं वो किससे होते हैं? And the answer is stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. This is the right answer. And next sixth question, olfactory epithelium is composed of. So जो olfactory epithelium होते हैं वो neurosensory epithelium होते हैं. Answer is first option. And next seventh question, basement membrane cannot be seen in. So basement membrane जो होते हैं वो किसमें नहीं देखा जाता? So answer is structured transitional epithelium में we cannot see the basement membrane. And the eighth question, स्ट्रेचेबल एंड वाटरप्रूफ एपिथेलियम कौन से जो होते हैं वो स्ट्रेचेबल और वाटरप्रूफ होते हैं? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4 ट्रांजिशनल एपिथेलियम. नेक्स्ट mesothelium is, so what is mesothelium? So answer is lining, answer is first option, that is lining of coelom which originated from mesoderm. So that would be the answer. And the next 10th question, lining of brain ventricle and central canal of spinal cord is called, so it is called ependyma. Next, this epithelium is made up of single thin layer of flattened cells and is involved in diffusion. So जो diffusion में involve होते हैं वो कौन सा epithelium मतलब किसमें पाए जाते हैं? So answer is first option, walls of blood vessels. And next question, exoskeleton originated from. So exoskeleton जो है वो epithelium tissue से originate होते हैं. And the next one is germinative layer of keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. So जो germinative layer होते हैं वो अपन को cuboidal epithelium में पाया जाता है. And let's see the 14th question, mucous cells also known as goblet cells. Mucous cells, these are, we all know, unicellular gland cells. And next 15th question, sweat glands are, so sweat glands are always merocrine. And the next 16th question, ependyma is, so what is ependyma? So ependyma is ciliated columnar epithelium, option number 2. Next 17th one, trachea consists of, so our trachea, it is consist of PSCGE. So what is PSCGE? So it is pseudo stratified cuboidal columnar epithelium is a full form of PSCGE. And next 18th question, lining of blood vessels and air sacs of lungs are made up of. So जो lungs के जो lining वो it is made up of squamous epithelium. And next lining of uterus, that is endometrium. So uterus के जो lining होते हैं it is made up of simple columnar epithelium, option number 3. Next, in transitional epithelium we can see transitional epithelium में innermost layer is cuboidal cell layer. So innermost को layer होते हैं वो cuboidal होते हैं. And next 21st question is lining of sebaceous duct is composed of. So sebaceous duct के वो जो lining होते हैं it is made up of cuboidal stratified epithelium. Next 22nd question, choroid of eye is lined by. So eye का जो choroid होते हैं it is lined by cuboidal epithelium. And the next 23rd question, brush border epithelium, that is we can see the microvilli in, answer is option 1 PCT. We can see it in the kidney. And next 24th question, epithelium of retina and thyroid is made up of which type of cells? So retina or thyroid में कौन से type of cells we can see? So we can see only cuboidal type of cells. Next, 25th question. Characteristic of simple epithelium is, so simple epithelium का characteristic क्या होते हैं? It is they make a definite layer. So answer is they make a definite layer. Next, 26th question. Who is founder of microscopic anatomy? So microscopic anatomy का founder कौन है? Answer is Malfigi. And next, we'll see the 27th question here. So tessellated epithelium is present in. So tessellated epithelium जो होते हैं वो किस में present होते हैं? Answer is endothelium में present होता है. And next, basement membrane of epithelium tissue is composed of. So epithelium का जो basement membrane होते हैं वो किससे composed होते हैं? It is mucopolysaccharide and glycoprotein से it is composed. And next, germinal epithelium is composed of. So germinal epithelium जो होते हैं it is composed of cuboidal epithelium. Next, inner lining of vagina is composed of. So we all know it is the vaginal layer is composed of stratified squamous epithelium. And next, secretory part of sweat gland is composed of. So sweat gland के जो secretory part होते हैं it is composed of cuboidal epithelium. Option number 1. Next, glands of vertebrates are originated from. So vertebrates के जो glands होते हैं they are originated from all of the above, that is ectodermal, endodermal and also mesodermal. Next, 33rd question we will see. Select the false statement with respect to epithelial tissue. So इन सब में अपन को false statements choose करना होता है. So the first is it has free surface. Yes, it has free surface. It faces blood body fluid sometimes. Yes, this is also true. It faces the external environment sometimes. This is also true, but the fourth option is the answer. It sometimes forms middle structure of part of organs. No, this is false because it forms always the outer part of the body. Therefore, the answer is option number 4. And next we'll see gallbladder is lined by. Answer is brush border columnar epithelium. Next, 35th question. Which of the following is a apocrine gland? So apocrine gland इनमें से कौन सा है? Answer is mammary gland is the apocrine gland. 36th question देखते हैं. Inner lining of stomach, rectum and colon is made up of. So it is made up of simple columnar epithelium. Next we will see the 37th question here. Wall of Bowman's capsule in nephron is made up of. So Bowman capsule का जो wall होते हैं it is made up of squamous epithelium. Let's see the 38th question here. Lining of salivary glands is made up of. So salivary glands के जो lining होते हैं it is made up of stratified cuboidal epithelium. And the next 39th question. Duct of mammary gland is composed of. So mammary gland के जो duct होते हैं it is composed of stratified cuboidal epithelium. Next, which of the following is made up of cube-like cells? So किसमें जो cube-like cells we can see. So we will see it is in the epithelium of PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. So next, 41 question. Sweat glands of human being originate from. So human के जो sweat glands होते हैं it will be originating from the ectoderm. Next, 42nd question. Mesothelium और peritoneum originate from. So mesothelium किससे originate होते हैं? Answer is option number 4 mesoderm से mesothelium originate होता है. And the next 43rd question is vesicles of thyroid gland is composed of. So thyroid gland के जो vesicles होते हैं it is composed of option 2 simple cuboidal epithelium. Next, 44th question. Which gland secretes chemical by simple diffusion? So simple diffusion से कौन से gland secrete करते हैं? Answer is merocrine gland. And next 45th question. Compound squamous epithelium occurs in. So इनमें से किसमें अपन को compound squamous epithelium we will be able to see. That is pharynx. And the next 46 epithelial tissue. So epithelial tissue it works as a protective covering. Next 47th question. So stratified and non-keratinized squamous epithelium occurs in. So we can see it in the both 2 and 3 vagina cervix and buccal cavity में अपन को ये वाला epithelium दिखाई देती है. And the next 48th one, basement membrane is formed of. So basement membrane जो होते हैं it is formed of none of the above because इनमें से कौन से भी अपन को basement membrane में दिखाई नहीं देते. It is formed of mesodermal cells, not endodermal. So answer is option 4. Next 49th one, regeneration after injury is absenting. So किसमें regeneration नहीं होते हैं? Answer is nerve tissue में अपन को regeneration नहीं दिखते हैं. Let's see the 50th question. So breast border epithelium occurs in. So it occurs in small intestine. Next, 51st question. Adjacent epithelial cells are held together by means of. So adjacent जो cells होते हैं वो they are held together with help of desmosomes. Next, 52nd question. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? So कौन से वाला जो है जो endocrine gland नहीं है? So answer is salivary gland is not an endocrine gland. Next, simple epithelium is made of. So simple epithelium it is made of compactly packed single layer of cells. Next, 54th question. Sebaceous glands. So sebaceous glands these are holocrine glands. Next, 55th question. Characteristic of epithelial tissue. So what is the characteristic of epithelial tissue? It is cells can undergo rapid division. So next let's see about the connective tissue. Epithelial tissue अपना complete हो चुके हैं. Next we are coming to connective tissue. So 56th question comes here is Volkmann's canal interconnect. So Volkmann canal किसके बीच में होते हैं? It is Haversian canal को connect करते हैं. And next we'll see 57th question here. Our heart consists of. So what is our heart consist of? It consists of all of these. Yes, we can see epithelial tissue, connective, muscular, and nervous. Every tissue we can see in our heart. Next, 58th question. Supportive connective tissue means. So what is supportive connective tissue? So it is cartilage and bone. These are supportive connective tissues. Next, intervertebral disc are composed of. So it is composed of white fibrous cartilage. Next, 60th question. Epiglottis is composed of. So what is epiglottis composed? We all know that is elastic cartilage. Next, 61st question. Calcified cartilage. It is found in, we can see it in the head and femur of the human. Head of femur of and humerus in human. Next, decalcified bone is. So what is mean by decalcified bone? It is bone with only inorganic matter. So calcified means it with organic and decalcified means inorganic matter. Next, 63rd question. Femur and humerus. So these are cartilaginous membranous investing sesamus. So कौन सा है? Answer is option 3 cartilaginous bone. Next, patella is largest. So what is patella? You can see it in the knee. So it is a largest sesamoid bone. Next, 65th one. Epiphysis and diaphysis of bone. So what is epiphysis and diaphysis? It is end and end shaft of long bone respectively. So we can in the bone we can see end and shaft of the bone. Next, 66th question. Clavicle is. So what is clavicle? It is membranous bone. Next, Haversian canal contain. So Haversian canal में होते हैं blood vessels and nerves. So it doesn't contain lymphocytes and connective, but it consists blood vessels and nerves. Next, 68th question comes here is all of the following cells produce collagen except. So which of the following produce collagen except? So everything produce collagen except option for mast cells. Alveoli has. So alveoli has yellow fibrous connective tissue. 70th question. Wharton jelly in umbilical cord is. So Wharton jelly is mucoid connective tissue. Next, vitreous humor is. So vitreous humor we can see in the eyes. So it is mucoid connective tissue. Next, 72nd question. Fibroblast secretes. So fibroblast secretes both 1 and 2, that is matrix and fibers. Next, scavenger cells of alveoli are called. So these are known as dust cells. Next, 74th, mast cell secrete. So what does mast cell secrete? It secretes all of the above: anticoagulant, vasodilator, vasoconstrictor. So mast cell consists of all of the above. Next, 75th question is matrix of cartilage produced by. It is produced by chondrocytes. Next, we will see the 76th question here. Which of the following is lack of blood supply? मतलब किसमें जो blood supply नहीं होते हैं? It is cartilage. Next, 77th one. In hyaline cartilage matrix is. Hyaline cartilage में semi transparent होते हैं matrix. Next, 78th question. Sprain of body is due to pulling off. So body में sprain क्यों होते हैं? It is because of ligaments, due to pulling of ligaments. 79th question. The Haversian canal occur in. So Haversian canal occurs in humerus. Okay. 80th question. Protein present in cartilage and bone. So एंड बोन में कौन सी प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होते हैं? इट इज कॉन्ड्रिन एंड ओसिन. ये प्रोटीन वी कैन सी इन कार्टिलेज एंड बोन. नेक्स्ट, विच टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रेजेंट इन वॉल ऑफ ब्रैंक्यूल? So wall of branchiole में we can see yellow fibrous connective tissue. Next 82nd question, macrophages of spleen are. So spleen के जो macrophages होते हैं it is of reticoendothelial cells. Next 83rd question is tela subcutana of human is composed of. Tela subcutana is composed of areolar connective tissue. Next, see, skeletal tissue originated from which of the following embryonic layer? It is originated from mesodermal layer. Next, scavenger cell of connective tissue. It is called the scavenger cell of connective tissue. We can also known as macrophages. Next, 86th question is septa which connect skin with underlying muscle are made up of. स्किन और अंडरलाइंग मसल को कनेक्ट करते हैं वो होते हैं एरोलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू हियर. नेक्स्ट 87th क्वेश्चन, विच प्रोटीन इज प्रेजेंट इन लार्जेस्ट अमाउंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? सो ह्यूमन बॉडी में जो विच इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रेजेंट प्रोटीन? वी नो दैट इज कोलाजन. नेक्स्ट 88th क्वेश्चन, एंडोस्टियम इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ. सो एंडोस्टियम इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ रेटिकुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. The next we will see 89th question, matrix of connective tissue proper. It is secreted by option 4 all of the above. It is secreted by mast cell, fibrocyte cell, fibroblast cell. So matrix it consists of all of the above. Next 90th one, yellow fibers are present in. So yellow fibers जो होते हैं which कौन किस how they are arranged, मतलब कैसे present होते हैं? So they are present as singly and branched. Option number 2. Next 91th question we'll see argyrophil fibers are present in. So ये जो fibers जो होते हैं वो किस में present होते हैं? It is present in the spleen. It is not given in the NCERT. It is out of NCERT. Next 92nd question, strongest ligament of human body. So what is the strongest ligament? We can see that is iliofemoral ligament is the strongest ligament. Next 93rd one, the covering of articular cartilage is made up of. So articular cartilage का जो covering होते हैं it is made up of white fibrous connective tissue. Next 94th one, maximum cartilage of larynx are the example of. सो कार्टिलेज का जो मैक्सिमम ऑफ लैरिंग्स वो किसका प्रेजेंट होते हैं? इट इज हायालिन कार्टिलेज. नेक्स्ट 95th वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू? सो दीज ऑल आर द स्पेशलाइज्ड connective tissue, therefore answer is option number 4. Next, cytoplasmic process of osteocytes are present in. So osteocytes का जो साइटोप्लाज्मिक प्रोसेस होते हैं वो प्रेजेंट होते हैं इनसाइड कैनालिकुली. नेक्स्ट 97th क्वेश्चन हियर, chondrin is composed of. So what is chondrin composed of? It is composed of chondrin 6 sulfate and hyaluronic acid. Next 98th question, histiocyte of brain is. So brain का जो histiocyte होते हैं it is of microglial cell. Option number 2. Next 99th one, most of the cells present in areolar connective tissue are. So which cell is present in mostly in maximum amount? It is fibroblast. Next 100th question, cartilage is present in. So किसमें cartilage present होते हैं? It is present between adjacent bones of vertebral column and limb. Next 101, spleen and lymph nodes are made up of. So these are made up of reticular fibrous connective tissue. Next, which structure composed of yellow fibrous cartilage? So yellow fibrous cartilage it is epiglottis. Option number 3. Next, we'll see 103rd question, heparin is. So heparin is a mucopolysaccharide. 104th question here, ट्रांसफर चैनल्स प्रेजेंट इन लॉन्ग बोन्स ऑफ ममल्स. सो लॉन्ग बोन्स में जो ट्रांसफर चैनल्स होते हैं, और वी कॉल देम एज वोल्कमन्स कैनाल. नेक्स्ट 105th वन, विच कार्टिलेज प्रेजेंट ऑन द एंड ऑफ द लॉन्ग बोन. सो लॉन्ग बोन के जो एंड में होते हैं उसको हम हाइलिन कार्टिलेज बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट 106th वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैव हार्ड एंड नॉन प्लेएबल ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस. सो बोन्स में हार्ड एंड नॉन प्लेएबल सब्सटेंस वी कैन सी. So next 107th one, histamine is secreted by. So histamine is secreted by mast cells. Next 108th one, mammalian pinna is supported by. So pinne का जो which type of cartilage से it is supported. So answer is elastic cartilage. Next 109th one, fibers present in the form of bundles are. सो कौन से जो है वो बंडल्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो इट इज़ कोलाजन इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बंडल्स. नेक्स्ट विच वन इज अनरिलेटेड. सो इन सब में से कौन से अनरिलेटेड, इट इज विच वन इज अनरिलेटेड. आंसर इज डेक्स्टिन इज अनरिलेटेड टू ऑल ऑफ दिस बिकॉज दीज आर रिलेटेड टू कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज बट दिस इज नॉट. नेक्स्ट प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट इन कार्टिलेज इज. सो कार्टिलेज में जो प्रोटीन होते हैं वो इट इज ऑफ कॉन्ड्रिन. नेक्स्ट 112, एंड्स ऑफ टू लॉन्ग बोन्स आर कनेक्टेड बाय. सो टू लॉन्ग बोन्स जो एंड्स होते हैं इट इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड विथ मसल्स. नेक्स्ट 113th, आई एम सॉरी, इट इज नॉट मसल्स, इट इज ligaments. So excuse me here. Next 113th one, regeneration of cartilage can occur from its perichondrium से regeneration of cartilage occurs. Next 114th one, mast cells occur in. So mast cells जो है वो connective tissues में present होते हैं. Next 115th one, white fibrous tissue. So white fibrous tissue it is called as tendons. Next 116th one here, loose connective tissue is. So which is loose connective tissue? It is areolar tissue. Next 117th one comes here, ligament is. So ligament is, it is always modified elastic connective tissue. Option number 3. Next 118th one we will see, cartilage present in trachea, larynx and bronchi is. So what type of cartilage is present in trachea, larynx and bronchi? It is hyaline cartilage. Next 119th one, cartilage is. So what is cartilage? Is it non-vascular, hard than bone, highly vascular, covered by peristomium? Answer is non-vascular. नेक्स्ट एन एंटीकोगुलेंट इज. सो इनमें से कौन से जो है वो एंटीकोगुलेंट है. सो आंसर इज एवरीथिंग इज एंटीकोगुलेंट. दिस आर ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट कोलेजन एंड एलास्टिन आर फॉर्म्ड ऑफ. सो कोलेजन एंड एलास्टिन आर फॉर्म्ड बाय द फाइब्रोब्लास्ट. नेक्स्ट विच इज नॉट अ कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ एरोला टिश्यू. सो एरोला टिश्यू में कौन से कॉम्पोनेंट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. आंसर इज प्लाज्मा सेल. Next 123, bones are mainly formed of. So what are bones formed? So they are formed of calcium and phosphorus. Next 124, nasal septum gets damaged, its recovery requires cartilage called. So if nasal septum is damaged, so what cartilage is required? So it requires hyaline cartilage. Next 125, last questions. What will happen if ligaments are cut out or broken? So if ligaments are broken, then bones will become unflexed. So bones, they are gonna become the unflexed. Next 126, which of the following contains the largest quantity of extracellular material? किसमें large quantity of extracellular material we can able to see? In the stratified epithelium. So this is all about the exercise 1. So let's go into the exercise 2 now. So we will see all the PYQs here. So let's start. Areolar connective tissue, it joins. So areolar connective tissue जो होते हैं, it joins integument with muscles. Option 2. Next, mast cells secrete. So mast cells, they secrete histamine. Option number 3. Next, uh, AIPMT 2007 question. It is, in which of the following preparations are you likely to come across cell junctions more frequently? So when you are gonna see the cell junctions more frequently, answer is ciliated epithelium. Next, AIPMT 2009. Fourth question. The cell junctions called tight tethering and gap junctions. These are found in all these type of junctions. We will be able to see in the epithelial tissue. Next, the kind of tissue that forms the supportive structure in our pinna, external ear. So external ear में जो supportive structure होते हैं वो, and we can able to see it is also in the tip of the nose. Next comes sixth question here. These are all belong to 2009 questions, PYQs. Next, the epithelial tissue present on the inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tubes is. So inner surface of bronchioles and fallopian tubes, it is ciliated epithelium. Next 2010 ka PYQs. This the kind of epithelium which forms the inner walls of blood vessels. So inner walls of blood vessels, it is made up of squamous epithelium. Next, eighth question. It is from 2012. Given below is a diagrammatic sketch. Find the ABCD and select the correct option. So here we will be able to see the so it is 10th question, right? No, 8th question. So we are given the options here. So here we will see the options. Option A, it is macrophage. This is the macrophage. Here it is macrophage, and option B, it is fibroblast. So this is the fibroblast we will see, and the bundle-like structure, that is C, is the collagen fiber. So we can see it as option number 3 is the correct answer. Next one, ninth one, here also diagram is given. We have to find the which type of tissue. So here answer would be same, option 3. B1 is the glandular epithelium, and it is found in the intestine, and it performs secretion. So this would be the correct answer here. Next, we'll see 10th question here. The supportive skeletal structure in the human external ears and nose tip are examples of. So this is the example for cartilage. Next 2014 का PYQ. Choose the correctly matched pair. So कौन से जो है correctly matched pair है? Answer is areolar tissue. It is loose connective tissue. This is the correct matched pair here. Next we will see the 2015 का PYQ. So here the question is the function of gap junction. So what is the function of gap junction? It has to facilitate the communication between adjoining cells by connecting the cytoplasm for rapid transfer of ions and small molecules. Next, 2016 ka match the following question. So it is, which type of tissue correctly matches with its location? So we'll have to find the matchings here. Uh, they have given this. We have to find the right option. So answer is option 1. Smooth muscle wall of intestine is the correct answer. Next 14th one. Connective tissues are derived from embryonic ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So answer is mesoderm is the correct answer. Next 2019 का question we will see. So the ciliated epithelial cells are required to move particles or mucus in a specified direction. So these are mainly present in, so which is the unidirectional, matlab only one side direction. So answer is bronchioles and fallopian tubes. They move the particles in a specific direction. Next, 2019 Odisha का question है. So here we have to match the following here. So these options are given here. Let's see the correct answer. So a tight junctions. So tight junctions establish a barrier to prevent leakage. So A would be option 3. So we can see A option 3 as in this option. So this is the correct answer. Next, 2020th question, recently asked question. Goblet cells of elementary canal are modified from. So they are modified from columnar epithelial cells. Next, cuboidal epithelium which brush border uh, microvilli. It is found in proximal convoluted tubules of nephron. Next comes 2021 ka, let's see. Which of the following is the most abundant? So we know that is collagen. Hmm. Identify type of cell junctions that help to prevent leakage. So the prevent the leakage, it is of course tight junctions is the right answer. Next 2021 का question है and 21st question is which is not a function of muscular tissue. Which muscular function का कौन सा function नहीं होता है? Answer is transmit different kinds of stimuli. It is function of nervous tissue, not the muscular tissue. Therefore, it is the answer. Next 22nd question is match the following. So it is also match the following question. We will see. So options are given here. So it is we will be able to see this is this first one cuboidal epithelium. The function is secretion and absorption. So sorry, not cuboidal, it is columnar epithelium. So A is option number 3. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 23rd one. Which of the following present between adjacent bones of vertebral column? So, answer is option number 1. Next, 24th one. So, which of the following is not a connective tissue? Kisme, it is not a connective tissue. So, answer is option 3. Neuroglia is not a connective tissue. Next, 25th one match the following. So, here options are given. So A bronchioles. So bronchioles, it is the ciliated epithelium. So A is option 4. Therefore, fourth one is the right answer. Next 2022 का question. Which of the following types of epithelium lines the wall of blood vessels? So blood vessels का कौन से जो epithelium होते हैं? It is made of squamous epithelium. Next 27th one. ईयरवैक्स सेक्रेटिंग सेल्स हैव विच टाइप ऑफ एपिथेलियम. सो ईयरवैक्स के जो एपिथेलियम होते हैं इट इज एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंडुलर एपिथेलियम. नेक्स्ट 28th क्वेश्चन is also matching question here. So adhering junctions. So adhering junctions are functions like rivets and fasten cells to strong sheets. So option A is 2. So we can see the second option, it is the correct answer. Next, 29th question. Which of the following types of epithelium is present in bronchioles and fallopian tubes? So it is of ciliated epithelium. Next, 30th question. Choose the correct statement about muscular tissue. So muscular tissue के बारे में कौन से statement it is correct? So answer is intercalated disc allow the cardiac muscle to contract as a unit. It is only the correct statement and all these statements are false statements. Next 31st question. Bones sorry choose the correct statement. So कौन से statement जो है वो correct है? So bones support and protect softer tissues and organs. It is the correct statement. So these statements we can see these are wrong statements. So we have completed here. Next we will see the NCRT based questions right now.